What's going on, family? Johnny here. Just wanted to shoot a video. We're down here at the Charlotte Mastermind. We put a mastermind weekend together. 8 guys got together here. We rented a good, nice size not mansion, townhouse. It's got about 8 rooms, and we rented the whole house out. And for the weekend, and just kind of chopping it up, talking about wealth strategies, relationship. Um, Ideas and strategies, as well as some community building things that we're looking to do with whether it's starting a foundation, stuff like that, where it's just a mastermind group. And one of the things we talked about was that I want to share with you guys today is wealthy thinking. And just where it's that you're looking at just from the lens point of view from a poor person, a rich person, and a wealthy person. And you kind of can think about it, ponder on it, and kind of see where you are, and then see what shifts you need to make in your lifestyle, your habits, and beliefs in order to get you to the far right, to that wealthy mindset. And for kind of starting off from a poor person's approach to life, they're always talking about money. Everything centered around their conversation is money, 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 money. How can I do this? I need to get some money. I got to go to work today. I got to make more money. I got to do XYZ to make more money. Or how much money does this cost? It is. And so the conversation is always centered around money and everything that they're doing. And I know a lot of people say, like, well, duh, money drives everything that we do. That is correct. But the money conversation is not the conversation and the thoughts and the ideas that you need to be having, because it keeps you in a poor mindset when you're always looking and talking about having to trade your time for money. And you're always going to have to be in a position where time and work and effort is going to go into creating that income, which pivots to rich people. When you start looking at rich people that's got it together, they went to school, they got found some success here in different areas, they're always thinking and talking about things. I went and bought my boat. I just got my new truck. I just went and got my new car. A lot of times you start seeing this in the middle class, where you get some status, additional discretionary income, and they're buying things. They're buying the sports cars, the boats, the vacation homes, things that aren't necessarily generating more income, but they're thinking about other things, more debt that they can do. They can finance more exposure to stuff, the latest gadgets, this, that, and whatever they can do. But it kind of pivots, from the rich person where they're well off and they can go and buy. They got a lot of access to credit. They can go and get things. And unfortunately, they can go and get in a lot more debt. And that's what happens, unfortunately, with a lot of people. So now they become a slave to whatever's generating that income for them, those resources, in order to continue to support that lifestyle, to buy those liabilities that they have. And now that gets us to our last one, the wealthy person. What does the wealthy person think about? Wealthy people are always thinking about ideas. And that was the big thing that we centered around a lot of conversation we had today. But just with wealthy people in general, that they focus on ideas. They're not focused on things and stuff. They're not thinking about money, how to make money, but ideas. If you think about everything that we have in our economy, everything that we have in our world, this Android phone here, or I like to use the iPhone, for example, our iPhone. And with Steve Jobs and Apple, the iPhone, before it became a physical product, it was an idea. Steve Jobs came up with that idea in his head and created the iPhone. You look at Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. He had an idea. He dropped out of college and created his company, Facebook, because of an idea. It was in his head first. Anything. And I tell people, when you start talking about wealthy, that they're always focusing on ideas, businesses, how they can add value to other people in the economy, how they can solve problems that people have. If you figure out how to solve somebody's problem, you'll be a rich person. You'll be a wealthy person, because you're going to get paid by the value that you bring to the marketplace. I always tell people that God doesn't make shoes. He doesn't make tables. He makes trees and he makes cows. And he gives us the mindset, the ideas to be able to see a shoe inside of a cow, to be able to see a table inside of a tree. And until you start looking at the world differently and you start thinking through the ideas, that the ideals will generate the income and money, not just focusing on money. But now I want you to start focusing on ideas, because the ideas that you focus on and bring to life are what will change other people's life, change this world, and in return, change your world for the better, whereas that it's going to produce more wealth and generational income for you and your family. So something to think about. You know, the poor mindset, the rich person's mindset, and then the wealthy person's mindset. My prayer for you is that you will continue to seek wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and continue to look for those ideas on how you can add value in this economy, in this world, in order to be able to be a wealthy individual. As always, if you're looking and interested in real estate investing, let me know. Hit the link below to get some more information about my coaching program. If you're interested in becoming one of our private investors in our private investor community, where we're giving, you know, between 8-10% return, depending on the deal, on capital, and helping our investors diversify from the stock market, then definitely sign up for our community so you can see our offerings when they come online. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.